When updating your policies and procedures manual, you may find it necessary to upload a document. You can do so by scrolling down and clicking on the WYSIWYG. Select the icon that looks like a piece of paper, and you will be directed to your file manager. From here, click Upload. You can select a file from one of your folders. Make sure that the document is a PDF document. Click Upload, and you'll see whether the file was successfully added. Click OK, and now go to the document, scroll down, click Select, and this is a very important step. Make sure that you include text to allow that link to attach to something. So here I'm just going to type in test document. You can choose to allow it to open in the current window or to open in a new window. Click Save. What you will see here looks like a hyperlink, but when you print out your P&P manual, you will see the document attached directly below that section of your manual. Be sure to click Save, and now you are done.